meters and area 400 meters square. If so, find its length and breadth. Comment on your answer. Here the question is it possible to design? He is asking you, is it possible to design? So, he has given us the hints. Perimeter is 80 meters and he has given the shape of the park. It is a rectangular park. So, he has given the perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula for the perimeter of rectangle?
2 into L plus B.
So, let us start this. Perimeter of rectangular park. It is given as 80 meters. Okay. Do you know what is the formula for this? What is that?
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B is equal to 80 meters. Okay. So, can I transpose this to RHS? Yes. So, L plus B is equal to 80 by 2. That is 40. So, L plus B is equal to 40 meters. Okay. Now, he has given that the area of the rectangular park is 400 meters. So, area of rectangular park is 400 meters. What is the formula for that? So, L into B is equal to 400. Okay. Now, we have got two equations here. This is 1 and this is 2. Now, from the first equation, I can subject any one. Okay. So, L plus B is equal to 400. Right. L plus B is equal to 40. So, I can write B is equal to 40 minus L. Okay. By substitution method, we can solve this problem. Okay. L into B is equal to 400. In the place of B, I can substitute 40 minus L. So, L into 40 minus L is equal to 400. This L into 40, that is 40L minus L square is equal to 400. Okay. I am transposing these to RHS. So, this minus L square will become plus L square and this 40L will become minus 40L and this is plus 400 is equal to 0. I have transposed these two to RHS. So, these two become minus 40L and plus L square and this 400 is as it is positive only. Now, if we observe this, we can write this as L minus 20 whole square. Okay? This L square and this is 20 square. L minus 20 whole square. Is it clear or not? No? Or otherwise we can factorize also. 400 we can take 20 into 20. Okay? As it is plus 400 we have to add. So plus 20 will become 40. Therefore, I can write this as L square minus, because it is minus 20L and minus 20L. I am splitting this 40L. Okay? Plus 400 is equal to 0. From this I can get L into L minus 20. From here minus 20 is common. So L minus 20 is equal to 0. So I can write here L minus 20 into L minus 20 is equal to 0. So L is equal to L minus 20 whole square. Can I?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Therefore it is L minus 20 whole square is equal to 0. Therefore L minus 20 is also 0. So L is equal to 20. If L is 20, what will be B? So let us take B. B is 40 minus L. So B is equal to 40 minus 20. So B is equal to 20. B is 20 meters, L is 20 meters. So here the length and breadth are equal. Okay, we can design a rectangular part with the measurements of L is equal to 20 and B is equal to 20. When L is 20, B is 20 means L is B, both are equal. When both sides are equal, actually it is a square. Actually it is a square. But a square also can be called as a rectangle. Okay. A rectangle which has equal length and breadth. That has a particular name square, but square also has a rectangle. It is of having same measurements. Okay. In this way we can find this. So I have to write the comment. So construct. We can construct a rectangular part with the measurements L is equal to 20 meters and B is equal to 20 meters. It is a part. It is a rectangular part which has equal length and breadth. Is it clear?